Every second, your body is building, breaking, and rebuilding itself. And behind all of this is one powerful system: protein metabolism. Proteins are not just food. They are the foundation of life itself. Every tissue, every enzyme, every hormone in your body begins with amino acids. There are 20 amino acids that make up human proteins. But here's the truth. Your body cannot produce all of them. Some must come directly from your diet. These are known as essential amino acids. Without them, your body cannot function properly. Once you eat protein, the process begins in the stomach. Acid and enzymes break it down into smaller units, peptides, and eventually amino acids. These amino acids are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the liver, the central hub of metabolism. From here, your body decides their fate. Some are used immediately to build muscle, repair damaged tissues, and produce enzymes and hormones. But what happens to excess protein? Unlike fat or carbohydrates, protein cannot be stored. So the body removes the nitrogen component, a process known as deamination, and converts the remaining structure into energy, glucose, or even fat. The removed nitrogen is toxic, so the body converts it into urea, which is safely excreted. This balance between intake and loss is called nitrogen balance. When your intake equals your loss, your body is stable. When intake exceeds loss, growth occurs. But when loss exceeds intake, the body begins to break down. On average, an adult requires about 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. But during growth, pregnancy, or illness, this requirement increases significantly. Protein is not just nutrition. It is structure. It is function. It is survival. Every movement, every repair, every heartbeat depends on it. Ignore it, and the body weakens. Understand it, and you unlock the true power of human biology.